Hey everyone, it is Odera back again with another recipe. Today we're going to be making cauliflower crust pepperoni pizza. I got this specific recipe from Buff Dudes. It's this channel online that does a lot of gym fitness content, and they have some pretty cool recipes too. Now, huge disclaimer, I did not follow their directions completely, so mine came out a little lackluster. So anyway, let's get into what we'll need to make this recipe. You're gonna need some cheese. It can kind of be like any cheese that you want. Some mozzarella, some marinara sauce or just tomato sauce, some eggs, chopped cauliflower, and some garlic salt. You're also going to need a baking pan with parchment paper and a mixing bowl and a spoon to mix everything and a measuring cup and a quarter teaspoon. Alright, so first things first, we're going to get in our cauliflower. We're just going to mix the base ingredients. Now, as I said in the intro, my pizza came out lackluster, and I'm not blaming Buff Dudes at all because I didn't really want to, go the extra mile to blend the cauliflower as much as it needed to be blended. And even with that, I still think that the recipe came out pretty nice. It was a fun recipe to make. I'm really a fan of cauliflower pizza. And if you're in the mood to like bake and mix and mash and all these things, this is a great recipe. I think it has a lot of potential. It's also, I think, very customizable. Like, you can tweak things to your liking. One of the things I liked about this recipe is the emphasis on protein. That's kind of like the hallmark of my channel, if you didn't notice. But yeah, I mean, there's so many different cauliflower crust recipes out there, and I just wanted one that stuck together very well. There was another one on YouTube that I was about to make, but then I ended up finding this one instead. Sorry, this footage is moving so fast. Anyway, we mixed everything together. Like I said, you can use whatever cheese you want. I highly recommend watching the Buff Dudes video where they make it, because they're a lot more focused in their commentary, but more so their instructions are way more detailed and it comes out much better. But yeah, you're just gonna mix all the ingredients, form it into a bit of a crust. You should have preheated your oven to 450 degrees. If you didn't, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. But anyway, my oven was preheated for once. And so I put it in for 450 degrees, and I only left it in there for about 20 minutes. And it came out looking like, drumroll please, like this. Now again, that's not the way it came out on the Buff Dudes channel, so I can't blame them. I don't know why I did that little hand sign. I just wanted to try making cauliflower crust. Since then, I've kind of come to the conclusion that if I want, semi-healthy pizza, there are really, really great alternatives that you can find at the store that, take a lot less time because you're not making it from scratch. And I'll flash those on the screen. I highly recommend both of these products. I really, really like them. Even the Cauliflower brand, they have chicken nuggets that are really nice, really delicious. But anyway, yeah, so we're putting on our turkey pepperoni. We're gonna put this pizza back in the fridge. Wow, back in the oven. I can't, my commentary is so chaotic. We're gonna put this back in the oven. It's actually supposed to be at 450 degrees. I'm just so used to doing things at 425. So we're putting it back for 450 just to kind of melt the cheese, and get the turkey to stick, or the pepperoni to stick. I think Buff Dudes, they did like chicken toppings or something. I don't know. But this is the finished product. It was edible. It was nice. I just wish I worked on the recipe a little bit harder, just a little bit. But it's nice. I think it's really fun to make, especially if you have kids. Anyway, here's the price per meal breakdown. Highly impressive. And here are the nutrition facts. I hope you guys are having a nice day and a nice week, or weekend. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!